Today we're going to go into time zones. Time zones are schedules that you can set up in Velocity to do all kinds of different things. Lock and unlock a door at a certain time, or allow somebody to have access during a certain period of time. So we're going to start with going into Velocity configuration here in the administration window. And we're going to go down to time zones. And it gives us three different types: standard, master, and grandmaster. Standard is your first level of time zone building. Master would be combining multiple standard time zones together. And a grandmaster, which to be honest with you, I've never actually done. A grandmaster is putting together multiple master time zones. Today we're going to go through standard time zones and we're going to create a master time zone. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open up our standard time zones. As we can see, we've got a few different time zones in here. Let's say that we want a set of doors to unlock between 6 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. So the first thing we would need to have a time zone for that time, 6 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Okay, and I don't currently have one, so we're going to build a new one. So we're going to click on the clock and create a new time zone, or we can go to File and create a new time zone. I always put the information of the time zone in the name. So 0600 to 1730, Monday through Friday. I'm going to say OK, and you see it puts it right down here. And it's in orange because it's not being used by anything. These time zones up here are being used currently by our panel. Now we're going to go 06730. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're going to leave the holiday 1 schedule checked, so it will follow that holiday schedule. Let's say that we also want that door to be unlocked from 7 a.m. until noon on Saturday. So we're going to need to build a time zone for that as well. So 0700 to 12 o'clock Saturday. Say OK. 07 12. And then we're going to check the first S for Saturday. Okay, and now we're going to save. And that will save all our new time zones in there. Now that we've got those built, if we go to back down to our doors, okay? We're going to grab a door here. Rear entry door, relay, logic, operate during time zone. We actually want it to actuate during time zone. And it lists all our time zones in here, but we can only put one time zone in. We can't put, the 06 to 1730 Monday through Friday and the 07 to 1200 on Saturday. And there we can only put one time zone in there. So that is where our master time zones come in. So we're going to close that and we'll go back to time zones. And now we're going to go to master time zones. I'm going to create a new one. And we're going to call this rear door Monday through Saturday. Now, we'll go up here to this first line, and you see it gives us a little drop-down menu. And we can pick whichever time zone we want to use. So, 07 to 1200 on Saturday is one of them. And the other one is 06 to 1730, Monday through Friday. They've both populated in there. We can now say OK and save it. We'll go ahead and minimize that. We'll go back to our doors. We're going to go back to our rear entry, relay, logic, actuate during time zone. And if we roll through here, we're going to see there is that master time zone we just created. Rear door Monday through Saturday. Say OK. And it downloaded to the panel. Now that door will unlock at 0600 Monday through Friday and lock at 5:30 Monday through Friday. It will unlock at 0700 and lock at 12 noon every Saturday. And you can see it just took effect in the panel there. Now, other things that you can use time zones for would be in your door groups. If you have a door group, let's just take this employee right here. You can see they have a time zone associated with their entry times. They can only get in through these doors from 8 a.m. to 1800. So if you're building a new door group, we'll go ahead and just do a new one for giggles. So, door group, we're going to call it ASI test. And let's say that we only want people to be able to use their badges in the time of that new master time zone. Okay. Now, I know it's called rear door Monday through Saturday. That's just the name that I gave it. You can call it anything. But we know that it's 0600 to 5:30 Monday through Friday and 0700 to 1200 on Saturdays. So if there's somebody that you want to give them access to a door for only those times, we can go through and just select the doors that we want them to have that access to and say add, and there it is. Or, we can change that to, any time zone in here. Whatever it is you want them to be able to use their badge, the hours that you want them to be able to use their badge during. And that is using time zones.